YouTube is rolling out like button new update on YouTube Shorts. The traditional thumbs up like button is being replaced with a heart icon in YouTube Shorts. The heart like button works the same way as the old like button. It still tells YouTube you enjoyed the shorts. If the new heart like button is not showing in your YouTube Shorts, then go to Play Store, click on Search app and search for YouTube. From here, update your YouTube apps in latest version. After completing update process, now go back to home screen and then long press on YouTube app. Open YouTube app info, click on I button or app info. Go to storage option, clear cache your YouTube storage. Don't click on clear data option. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. And then go back to home screen. Now restart your device. After this step, now I hope YouTube Shorts like button new update will showing on your account.